how to add music to Instagram videos. First, you need to launch application. Then you need simply to go your story selection on your feed size section and click it on the plus icon. When you get right there, you need to choose up a video that you're gonna download it from your Instagram. As you can see, this video it is from TikTok, but I'm just using that video because I want to show you how it looks like. When you get the video which is from Instagram, you need simply to go on the side which is on the third selection, the sticker side, and right from there you go for music, and from here you need to choose up the music which is interested for you, which is related on your interest and all that stuff. For example, for me it is Beautiful Day. I can hear it, and then I can get the length of that session. I can also get that side selection for lyrics, but I'm gonna get or turn off that side selection because for me it is much more important to looks like this one, for example. Then go down. When you're ready on the right upper side, you can simply small it or resize it if you want, and then check it over on your side, for example there, and go to your side selection.